looking for exciting opportunities in the manufacturing sector? Malaysia offers a range of factory jobs for foreigners, providing accommodation and a chance to contribute to the country's economic growth.
Welcome to Alex Connect Global Services.
The job details include it is a factory job, there is accommodation, experience is between 1 to 2 years, and the requirement is that to qualify for factory jobs in Malaysia, foreigners must meet specific requirements, which includes work permit, clean record, language skills, technical skills, and research. The benefits of the job are steady earnings, skill enhancement, access to regional markets, industry growth, and networking options. So when you get to this website, you will see different factory worker jobs for Malaysia on this website. I will drop the link in the description section, and you can search, you can filter your search, you can type the type of job, factory job, the location, and you can create an account. You can click on for you can click on search, and you scroll down to filter your search and select anyone that meets what you are applying for. Once you find one you are searching for, you click on apply and you read the details. When you click on the description, when you find the one you are searching for, you click on it, you read the details, and you submit your application.
For more information, or if you need help in applying for your study or work permit, send us an email at teamalexconnect@gmail.com or contact us on WhatsApp at +1 781 975 8914.